So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a paper trading account on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up on your device, what I want you to do, I want you to go down to where it says Discover. So in the bottom right between News and Me, press on Discover. Now where it says Paper Trade right here, right underneath Learn, press on that. Now what it's going to be doing is actually opening up a paper trading account for you, so you can go ahead and do whatever you want. So if you want to trade whatever stocks you can go ahead and do that. This basically guides you through the direction, the limit type, the price, quantity, etc. in regards to your paper trading account. I believe your paper trading account in this case has $1 million in it. You can change this from American to Canadian as well. Whatever you're looking to do, it's right here in front of you. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to open a paper trading account on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.